Hi, this is Mrs. Blaisdell. We're going to be doing activity 44 today, search engines, and really this is about how to make a pie chart in Excel and how to also make some changes to that pie chart. So once you do what is in numbers 1 through 6, then in number 7 we're going to be making the pie chart. To do that, we need to select from A1 down to B8. We're then going to go up to the Insert tab and we're going to choose the charts that are here, and you'll see a pie chart. We're going to select the 2D pie. Do not select the donut. I know it's tempting. Then once you have the 2D pie, you'll notice that you have a lot of information. You've got a title up here, you've got what's called a legend down here, and you have your parts of the pie over here. Once you do that, the book then asks you to make some changes to your chart. So the first thing that you want to do is sort of double click in the white area, and over on the right it will open up and say Format Chart Area. That's what we want to do first. We want to go to the fill, the bucket and the fill, choose solid fill, and your book asks you to change the color of the chart to peach. So the background of the chart is a peach color. Okay, great, we did that. The next thing they ask you to do is to change the colors of some of these pieces of the pie. So what we want to do is we want to, if you double click twice, so 4 times, you can select the big piece of pie, which is Google, and it wants you to change that one to purple. So we do that, and then we go over here, and the next one is Yahoo. It's kind of a burgundy color. Once you've selected one piece, it's a little easier to select the others. So anyway, you select the burgundy, change the color, and it wants that to be a green color. Oops, missed that. There we go. All right, the next one is Bing. It wants you to change that to yellow. And the book wants you to change this next one, which is Ask, to aqua. So I'm just going to use that color right there. And the last one, it wants us to change to pink. There isn't a really good pink on here, so let's go to our standard colors, and there's some nice pinks in there. There we go. Great. You'll notice that the little boxes on your legend change as well, which is great. Okay. Now, the next thing they want you to do is to sort of change the layout and move this legend over here. There are a couple ways to do that, but one of the easiest is when you look up on the top, you'll see Chart Tools. Now, if you don't have your chart selected, you won't see that. But if you select your chart, you'll see Chart Tools, and there'll be Quick Layout. Quick Layout will allow you to click on one that has a legend to the right. The other thing that it has is a title at the top, which is great, and it also has data labels, and we want to take those data labels out. So if we select one, it should select all of them. Once they're selected, press the delete key on your keyboard and they go away, which is great. Okay, so we kind of did some of that in different order. The next thing that we want to do is we want to move our chart, and we can move it to a new sheet, and there we can call it Search Engine Chart. So we click OK. That moves it to a separate page. Down here at the bottom you can see the tab for that. Okay, the other thing that it wants us to do is to change the legend color to blue. So the fill color here, you could change the solid color to a blue. Forgive me, a light blue. Let's try that. And it also wants you to change the legend size of the font to 16. So if we just select it and then go to our Home tab, you can change the font very quickly to a 16 there. It makes the whole thing bigger. It also wants you to change your title as far as color is concerned to a blue. So I'm going to choose that blue. And then it wants it to be a 24-point font, which we can change just like we would in Word on that Home tab. Okay, once you get all of that done, that's it. You can just add a header and footer to each page of your workbook. So for the spreadsheet page and for the chart page, and then you are done. And you can send it to eLocker and get a really good grade. Have a good day.